In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to stretch watercolour paper. This is the best way and the easiest way. Trust me, I've been doing this for years. I love this method. I use this method in the studio, when I'm travelling overseas, when I'm out in the field. Doesn't matter where I am. It's such an easy method. It's my favourite method. Now, what do you need? Not a lot of equipment, but there's a couple of crucial things. First of all, you'll need one of these. You can use other boards, but these are fantastic. GATOR board. It's a polystyrene insert with a laminate surface. So it's very, very sturdy. But the best thing about it, it is so light. I wouldn't say it's as light as a feather, but it doesn't weigh as much as
a duck.
No, doesn't weigh as much as a duck. Does it, Tilly? So I highly recommend this. If you want to find out more about these, check them out. I've put a link down in the description. The other thing you'll need, of course, is your paper, a brush, some water in a fantastic looking container like this. But apart from the GATOR board, which is really a crucial part of this method, the other thing is simply a stapler. We've got all our crucial ingredients here to make this happen. So remember, with the paper, you put the correct side down first and then wet it all. I've really got to get that nice and wet. Look at that, splashing it everywhere. It's like going for a swim. Really, really soaking. Turn it over. And we do the same to the other side. Just make sure you cover it all. Okay, so you can see the buckling happening in a few places. Don't worry about that too much. You can kind of pull the corners out a bit. But even if there's buckles left, a few buckles left, don't worry too much about it. Just get your stapler, open it up, and staple around the edges. Now basically just let it dry. Thanks for watching again. I hope you found this one useful, and if you did enjoy it, please remember to share it, like it, and if you want more like this, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see on this channel, and also let me know if you use GATOR board. I love this stuff.